Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 5Z, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now before I get started, I'm gonna mention one more thing. This process does remove things like screen locks. So if you have a PIN, pattern, password, whatever it is, set on your phone that you just don't know, you can get rid of it this way. Now there is one more caveat on top of that. So assuming you don't know your pattern and you're gonna be doing this with that in mind, but your device is also logged into something like a Google account. So let me just quickly showcase. So if I go into settings under user and accounts, you can see I am logged in. So if I do this right now through recovery mode, like I'm saying, the device will also become FRP locked. So after the factory reset is finished, throughout the setup process, you will be basically forced to verify the old user by either using the PIN, pattern, password that was previously set, or by logging in with the Google account that was used on this device. Now, additionally, on top of that, I'm gonna make a video separate to this one, how you can bypass this entire verification process. So if you need video for that, stay tuned. I'm gonna have one specifically for this device and how you can bypass this. Now, jumping on to the actual factory reset, I'm gonna lock the device, and you can see right here I do have a pattern set, and I'm gonna progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So number one, hold your power key. You want to select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power and volume down at the same time. And when you see the OPPO logo, you can let go of the power key, but keep holding volume down. When you see the language selection, you can let go of the volume down as well. And from here, simply tap on the desired language. I'll be using English. Then you want to select wipe data and then format data. As you can see, this gives us some kind of verification code, which is provided right here. All you need to do is just repeat this code into your dial pad. So right now for me, it's showing 0534. For you, it will be obviously a completely different number. It is randomly generated every time you press on the factory reset button. But once you get this pop-up right here, I'm gonna select format. This will begin formatting your data. Give it a moment, and there we go. Wipe successfully. Let's click on OK. And I guess the device rebooted on its own. So we don't need to do anything else apart from just waiting for the entire process to finish up. This might take a couple minutes to do so, so just give it some time. Once it's finished, we'll be done greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. So as you can see, the process is now finished, and you could set up your device however you like. Now, like I mentioned also, for me the device will be locked, and you can see it right here, and I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this right after this one. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.